Hey everyone, today I've got a box of solar outdoor lights that I want to show you. This is a 10 pack and just enough for our small front yard. So let's get into it. Everything is tightly packed inside, and here's a card and some instructions showing you how to assemble the lights. And here we've got a bunch of AA batteries encased inside a plastic housing. And there's a bunch of these metal stainless steel sticks, which for the most part are hollow, except for the stakes that you slide inside before you put them into the ground. And then here are the actual solar lights. The solar panel is right at the top where the sun can hit it so it can charge up during the day. These lights have a starburst pattern, which I think will look very pretty at night when they light up after dark. And finally, here's the instructions where they show you step by step how to assemble the solar sticks. There's only 4 steps and it even comes with diagrams, so it will make it very, very easy to follow through. So in a follow-up video, I'll come back and show you how to assemble them and then we'll place them into my front yard so you can see what they look like.